So what I'm showing you is all what happened last night. He came to my house, basically illegally arrest me, but I knew my rights. They had no grounds to arrest me and they had to let me go, and that's what you see at the end of the video. They basically just, I came out of the car after they arrested me, and they're just like, hey, you're free to go, you're not intoxicated. And to be honest with you, I'm not sure if I'm gonna let that slide. That's not what cops should be doing. As a cop, you're supposed to, you know, do legal arrest the criminals. You're coming at me, they're coming at me as if I'm some type of criminal, which I'm not. I don't have a criminal record. I'm not a bad person, I'm a good citizen. And they're coming at me for car vehicles. They even do some intimidating language out there, like pipe down, shut up. And I just really wasn't feeling the vibe. So I think I might send in a complaint of harassment and being falsely arrested. You know, just get that and see what happens, because, you know, I did not appreciate that at all. So
and is this reason to get out of his vehicle?
Because I don't have reason to get out of my vehicle. Why am I getting out of my vehicle?
I asked you to get out of your car.
Yeah, but you need a reason to ask me to get out of my car. You can't just ask me to get out of my car.
The complaint was that you were impaired.
That I'm impaired?
You were drinking and you were causing a disturbance, so I need you to get out of the vehicle, please.
No, that's not it at all. That's not what happened.
You can disagree with that, but we can discuss it outside the car.
I don't feel comfortable discussing it outside the car with a cop. I don't. I don't feel comfortable doing that. Hi, ma'am. How are you? I'm good. I'm recording for my own protection.
That's okay. That's totally fine.
Yeah.
Are you able to step out of the car?
No. What is the reason I'm stepping out of the car?
Because we received a call that you're possibly impaired and you're driving the vehicle.
I'm at home right now.
Yeah, I understand that.
Yeah.
But you were driving the car before that, right? That's why.
Okay. I think I would prefer to stay in my car though.
Okay.
I don't feel comfortable coming out of my car. I hope you guys understand that.
Okay. I appreciate that you're not comfortable getting out of your car, but the fact that you're in your car,
yeah.
We were told that you had been driving your car and they believed you were impaired because
I haven't,
of how you were acting and the way they smelled alcohol on you.
I'm not impaired. I haven't been driving. I'm at home. I haven't been driving.
I understand that, but the fact that you're in the driver's seat of a vehicle,
yeah,
you can still be arrested for impaired operation.
I'm not operating the vehicle. I'm sitting at home in my car.
It used to be called care and control. Now it's under the same, all under the same umbrella.
What's under the same umbrella?
Care and control and impaired operation. It's all under the same umbrella of impaired operation of the vehicle.
I'm fairly sober right now, to be honest with you. So I'm not drunk. I'm not tipsy.
Okay, so what we're hoping to do is show that you're sober enough to drive. So if you get out of the vehicle,
I'm not driving though. I'm not driving anywhere.
You were driving. That's our issue.
Where was I driving?
You were driving from the other side of Brampton to here.
No, I've been here the whole time.
So you weren't driving your car. So then why is your GPS still on?
Because my GPS is always on. It's plugged in. My GPS is always on. Oh, the lights aren't on. My GPS is always on. Okay.
Is there a sergeant coming?
Okay. I'm gonna wind up my window a bit because it's getting cold. I hope you guys
I can't hear you when your window's up so high, sir.
It's raining, so the water is getting inside.
We're standing out in the rain. We know it's raining.
I didn't tell you guys to stand out in the rain, to be honest with you.
I asked you to get out of your car. It's just gonna get more difficult when another officer comes.
I mean, it can get as difficult as it wants. This is just why I'm recording, right? To make sure I'm safe. I don't feel comfortable coming out of the car.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay. And neither am I.
It'll be good if we have to go to court that you're recording. That's all good. I don't care. I get recorded every day.
I'm just doing it for my own protection.
Yep. Protects me too, right?
It protects you as well, yeah.
That's right. So what were you doing over a massage parlor on the other side of Brampton?
I wasn't at a massage
parlor.
A lot? I have.
Rihanna said she knows you, so I'm just saying.
Who says she knows me?
Rihanna.
I don't even know who that is.
Okay.
So, to be honest with you, I have my own girlfriends. So I don't.
Multiples?
I don't need to go to a massage parlor. you know.
All we want to do, sir, is
Yeah.
make sure you're not drunk. That's all we want to do.
Yeah, but there's no reason to do that. I'm not driving, so there's
You're
no
in the
reason.
driver's seat of the car. You have the ability to turn that car on and drive away if you want to.
But I'm not gonna do that.
But you have that ability, right? If you wanted to drive away.
I mean, we all do. We all do.
So that means
but
you have the ability to operate this vehicle, which means if you are drunk or impaired,
that makes no sense. I'm
it
sorry.
doesn't
I'm
make sense,
sorry. It
but
just doesn't make
that's
any
the
sense to
law,
me.
So
It just doesn't make any sense to me. I'm not trying to be rude, but I'm just saying that if I'm not driving the vehicle, then
that's how it is though. That's if you're drunk and you're sitting in the driver's seat and you can turn on the car, you might as well be driving the vehicle now. That's how it is.
Well, what law is that?
It's impaired operation of a motor vehicle. I told you that.
But impaired operation of a motor vehicle is driving the vehicle. It's not sitting in a vehicle.
It's carrying control as well, sir.
Okay. Well, I never heard of that law. That's a new law.
That's unfortunate, but we have, and so has
Okay.
a judge and a lawyer and anyone who else will tell you who knows the law.
And anyone who sees this recording will also agree with you if it is a law.
Well, people might disagree that it's right, but it's the law. It's in the criminal code.
Okay.
Section, I don't know offhand. It's 254, isn't it? Yeah, section 254 of the criminal code.
Section
Google
254.
It, Google it.
I can't Google it right now because my phone's dead, so I can't Google it. Here we go. Okay.
Yeah, we'll wait for the sergeant. I'm happy with that. He needs to get out of the car so we can see if he's drunk or not.
I don't think so. I disagree. Oh gosh. Okay, while we wait for the sergeant, I'm gonna wind up my window. Okay. I'm gonna record this. So, hey, what's up, guys? So I'm being stopped by cops right now. She's flashing the light. Can you stop flashing the light?
Flashing my flashlight?
Yeah, you're flashing the flashlight in my eye, dude.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Like you're affecting my eyesight
just
with
so
your.
I can see you. So if you keep your window.
But
down,
you're
it won't
flashing the light like this. You're flashing the light like
I have
this.
shaky hands. Sorry, sir.
Okay, well my window's down now. So can you turn off the flashlight?
Sure. There you go.
No, can you turn it off?
No, I'm gonna leave it on like this just in case you do that window up again. Okay.
Obviously, this officer is giving me a hard time, right? So I'm sitting in my car. I'm chilling. I'm at my house. They come over to the car. They're talking about, oh, we need to see if you're drunk or not. We need to step out of the car. I'm like, listen, I'm not stepping out of the car because I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm sitting at my house. This is my house. This is my property. I'm in my car. You're asking me if I'm drunk. So we're waiting on the sergeant to clear things up and you know, teach these guys the law, man, because obviously they don't know. You know what I'm saying? So they're also flashing the flashlight in my car right at me. She's gonna keep it on as long as the window's up. But if I wind the window up, look at this. She flashes it right in the car because, you know, that's what she wants to do. So we're just gonna wait here for the sergeant. So the sergeant has arrived, guys. See what the sergeant's gonna say about this.
Just turn it down. Turn it down.
You know, I wanted to be a police officer once upon a time.
Went the wrong way though, eh?
Went the wrong way. What do you mean? I don't have a criminal record. I'm not a criminal, ma'am. So you should check yourself.
This vehicle, right?
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
It's none of your.
Then he does have it.
Oh, okay. I do have a criminal record. Why don't you check your criminal database?
You did.
Okay. And what'd you see?
That if you're the RO of this vehicle, which we believe you are, then you do.
Oh, right. What's my record?
You wouldn't want this to be public on YouTube, right?
That's because I don't have a record, ma'am. You know, I'm not a criminal. I don't get in trouble. Now these guys are assuming that I have a criminal record. This is funny. And I'm getting wet from all this rain that's coming inside, but they want the window down, or they're gonna flash the light in my eye. Look how many cops are here, man. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for one black male. It's crazy. So I have to get to bed, man, because I gotta wake up for work. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta get this done.
Get out of your car?
I don't see a reason for me to get out of my car. Like I'm chilling at my house. Oh, cops, man, cops, man. I have friends who are cops, man. So she's putting on her gloves. And there's another guy with a light in my car.
I'll let you know you're under arrest now for care and control.
For care and control.
You out of the car.
So I'm under arrest now for care and control.
You're gonna need to come out of the car. We're gonna have to come in and get you, okay?
And then someone's opening my car door. So now I'm under arrest. For what exactly? And I'm not resisting, by the way.
That's no problem. So you're just gonna put your hand behind your back.
That's fine. For care and control.
Down so it doesn't get damaged, bud. Please.
We don't want it to break. You're not gonna have it in your pocket anyways.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna put it on your seat so it doesn't get wet, okay?
This cops just arrested me. You know what I'm saying? This is the sheriff. What's his car number? You know what I'm saying? We had 3 cop cars here, 4 cop cars here, all come, basically say I was drunk. You know what I'm saying? There they are driving away. They basically came by. They said I was drunk. I was sitting in my car. Hold up. Let me get this guy before he leaves, man. I was sitting in my car. Look at that, look at that, look at him go. 212. Thank you for tuning into the video. And I'll see you guys on the next video, alright? Peace.